With the news that some Planet Fitness locations will be getting new strength training machines, I reached out to a few of my local locations. One location did provide a little more insight. The employees said they were expecting new Matrix strength training machines in a few months and said that they would be replacing the equipment in the 30-minute workout room. This suggests that the 30-minute workout room may be a thing of the past. I also read online that one of the new mottos for Planet Fitness may be, "You can get fit here too." This aligns with the investment of new strength training equipment to attract more intermediate to advanced gym goers and to dispel the myth that you can't get strong or fit at Planet Fitness. I'm guessing that the closing of the 30-minute workout room may also be in response to the fact that a vast majority of members just aren't using the room as it was intended. There are surely people who follow the intervals guided by the green and red light system, but based on the hundreds of comments I've received, and from what I've seen myself across dozens of Planet Fitness locations, most people just don't use the room as it was intended, instead using it as another weight room. So it all makes sense that Planet Fitness would remove this section to make room for more machines that might attract new clientele. What do you think about it all? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.